This is an Agent Opus beginner tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to create AI videos. So here on Agent Opus, this is what you'll see once you get onto it. You have your style, you have your assets, and you have your audio. As with any AI generating software, you have your area where you can write in your prompt so you can describe the video idea, or better still, if you have an audio, you can upload an audio file as a voiceover and the AI will intelligently listen through and provide a video for what it's hearing. Of course, before you do any of that, you need to decide the style, the assets, and the audio. So if we click on style, you could choose between animation, blue vox, clear, and these are different options that you could use for your video. So if you'd like to have a 2D line, you could go ahead and click on that. And then for assets, which is optional, of course, you could add a character, logo, or an object. And these are the supported file types, so do take note of that. So of course, you have your audio as well, and you can see some voices. There are female voices and also male voices. If you have your voiceover or an audio, this is where you get to upload your file, and these are the versions or the types of audio you could upload. These are pretty common, so it's not going to be a hassle, but you need to take note of the time limit. And then of course you can clone your voice if you want to use your voice. We're going to say apply or simply click on the X because we're okay with Rachel, and then we're going to describe our video idea. So here we have an idea, an athlete training for long jump. Before she starts, she takes a drink called Hydreno. Then she makes her first jump. Of course, you have caption options, the dimension, we're going to choose 16:9. And of course, you can see the AI model, Cdance 1.5. So we're going to go ahead and click on this and see how it goes. And of course, if you're not logged in already, you need to go with your Google or, of course, go with your email. And along the way, it's going to ask you how long you want this video to be. So you could say 30 seconds. And then of course it asks another question, which direction do you want for this 30-second video? So we can see three options: first jump, breakthrough moment, pre-jump focus and routine, and Hydreno, which is the energy drink, boosts her performance. Let's go with this option. So what it does first is it creates a brief. And this is our brief right here. Of course, you could view more, pacing, audience, tone, etc. And then you have the transcript, which is definitely more than what we had in our initial prompt, which is basically our idea. So it's important to understand that Agent Opus does not just take what you decided as your idea and produces anything. It tries to narrow things down by providing more details about your video idea and see if it's giving you exactly what you had in mind, which is a great leap from the basic AI options which don't ask you for ideas or don't help you out in improving your prompt. So this is what we have, and it says create storyboard first, which is basically reviewing the short plan and reference assets before video generation. Or if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and click on create video now and it will generate the video automatically. So, for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be clicking on Create Video Now. And at the end, we have something worth our time. Let's play a few seconds.
Every great jump starts before the runway. At the training pit, she resets, breathes, and reaches for...
So of course, you can go ahead and click on download, publish to social media, and this is how you can create AI videos using Agent Opus.